drunk if you ain't got a boat in your seat. Ain't illegal. I about got arrested the other day.
Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Alright, you want to give me an intro again?
Sure.
Go ahead.
Hey, my name is Michael Owen. I run 2 Scars, ZVX 15s, 6K DS18 amp. I'm running 1 battery. I gave one away today at the show, good peoples. I gave one of my batteries right here to the Scar Saturn actually.
Okay.
So I'm down a battery today, and I got an upgraded 260, I'm sorry, alternator under the hood. Yeah, actually I gave one of my big boys to the Scar Saturn a minute ago.
Okay, you need it? Yeah.
Yeah,
awesome.
well, I wanted to see if he can get a little bit louder with it, so he said he's going to hook it up tonight and see if it'll run tomorrow.
Okay.
See what we got with it.
Yes, sir.
It's one of them Lifetimes back there.
Okay.
He said he had 2 Walmarts. Hold on, Bubba.
So, specs on the box, and where's your tuning at?
It tunes about 45, and I don't know how many cubic feet. My brother says close to 3.
3.
Driver's side port?
Yeah. 3 cubes for 215s?
Yes, sir.
So it's probably on the small end?
Yes, sir.
But you make it work?
Yes, sir. Driver's side port on
Okay.
it.
So it's a 6K amp, but is it rated at 3,000 RMS? Or?
No, sir. I believe it's 6.
Really? Wow.
Last time I clamped it, it was getting right around about 4-inch.
4? Okay.
4-inch.
All right.
Which is not near enough,
Yeah.
but...
Yeah. And what did you meter?
148.6
48.
highest so far sealed.
Okay.
And that's sealed. When
Sealed.
Fully sealed.
So you're probably
On the
doing,
window.
on the kick, what were you doing?
50 is the highest I got in the kick.
Awesome. All right.
And I'm fucking anybody but their legs wide. Getting faded with some bitches from the west side. East Coast, nigga reppin' north side. Never waste a
give you a little big crit down there in the 20s.
Sure. Oh, okay.
I'll make a move real good.
Uh-oh. Yeah, man.
Like, I'm running a little weak, as you see, it keeps cutting out.
Yeah.
I just gave away my dang fully good
It's all right,
charged
man.
battery.
I understand.
But I'm not metering today, so,
yes, sir.
you know, why
yeah,
be greedy?
just for fun. That's right.
Yeah, why
That's a
be
good
greedy,
point.
right?
Yeah, thank you, man. Yeah.
Popping my top, I'm popping my tongue, I'm whipping my wallet, I'm whipping my crease. These niggas ain't shit.
Awesome.
Basically have the exact same box, just my port's a little different.
I can turn it up.
This is the loudest for you around you got?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yeah, it's super
It might
loud.
not look pretty, but it's pretty much test tuned to where you like
Yes, sir.
it.
45.
All right.
Ain't illegal. I about got arrested the other day driving this thing.
That's why I didn't bring my truck.
Yes, sir. With no seatbelt on. We pulled
Really?
me over for no seatbelt.
No seatbelt?
Yeah, and then he started searching. He's like, dude, your seats are not even bolted down. I said, sir, it's a base truck.
Yeah, it's a base truck. They don't understand
I
that.
don't even drive it on the road, sir.
So they give you a ticket or just a warning?
No, sir. They gave me a warning. I was just going to get gas.
Yeah.
I was literally just going to get some gas for him.
Yeah. Apparently you could get your car taken or something. What is it?
It was close to taking me to jail for 3 infractions, no seatbelt, no seat belts, and not having the seat bolted. He said,
Oh,
that's 3
gosh.
misdemeanors in 1 stop. I can
Wow.
take you to jail and impound your truck. Sir, I swear to you, I was here to the dumpsters from my house.
Yeah.
Just douchebags, man.
Yeah, that's how the cops are.
Just douchebags. Sorry. I was friendly. I respected them. Told them yes, sir, no, sir,
That's
and
all
I
you
got
can
away.
do. Yes, sir. All right.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.